I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I recently have gotten into pull-up dolls. I love them. They're like a cousin to Blythe dolls. They'll never replace them for me, but I do like them. I bought this little girl, Mickey. She is a little pull-up, and I need a little model. With her hair, I don't want to ruin it taking clothes off and putting them back on. So I bought this girl. Let's open it up and see who I got. And she's supposed to be rare, so the seller says. You tell me if this is a rare Pullip Little or not. I am going to take her out of the box. Again, she's going to be my little mannequin. I like my mannequins to have heads. I want to see what it looks like with clothes on. Isn't she adorable? Oh, isn't that cute? And the little container has a little handle. You can carry it with you. That's adorable. All right, let's get her out. Her name is, and I need to say this right because I keep adding an L, and that's something else entirely. Dido, D-I-D-O. Okay, I can't. Dido? Is that how we're going to say it? How can I open this? Give me a minute. We did have a little breakage in shipping. I guess I'm okay with it since I'm taking her out. Oh my. Here is little Dido, and she's really cute. She's got little purple hair. I was going to take her all the way out. I'm telling you, this was quite a puzzle, and my cameraman is really in a hurry, and God love him for even messing with YouTube for me because he is so busy with work. Anyway, this is all the further I'm going to take her. I do want to say these are not inexpensive little dolls. They're called Pullip Littles. However, I got a great deal on this doll, and boy, was she packaged. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Stand by. We'll have her out, and I'll be showing you what little outfits I'm making them. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.